Hey guys, Keesey here. Today I'm going to show you how to access challenge resources through your quick access link that you saved on your home screen. So you'll want to click on that Fit Studio link and it'll take you to your Fit Studio login screen where you'll put in your email address and your password. Click login and it'll take you to our Fit Studio page where you can view your profile, view your reservations, your workouts and your calendar and all that good stuff. On the top left hand corner you'll see 3 lines. You'll want to tap on that and that'll bring up a sidebar. So from here you can choose many different things, but you'll want to go to challenge. From there you'll click on the blue hyperlink that says click here and it'll open up a brand new page that will house all of your challenge information. So you can click that, say snack list, and you can print it if you needed to. Now from here, if you want to save this actual page for quick access like we did with your login screen, go ahead and go to the bottom and it'll be a box with an arrow pointing to the top. So you want to click that. Then you'll want to find the button that says add to home screen. It'll bring up this page where you can change the name of that quick access link. So I'm going to change mine to challenge resources. So I'll know exactly what it is, and then click add. This will add that icon to your home screen like it did for your login screen for quick access. So there you go. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you.